Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys some cool items that you can get in Japan right now. It's the end of March, and so all the big holidays like Valentine's Day and White Day are over. And a lot of times that can be a really good time to get your hands on some chocolates and candies and cookies for a cheap price. And this is actually a cute little gift that features the Bontan Ame that I happen to really like. And actually what it was is that you had a normal kind of small size box of candy on the inside, and then there's this little tiny baby box on the outside in a little separate little container. And I just thought that was just like the cutest idea because it's a little miniature version of the snack. Now inside is a regular size piece of candy. There's actually two pieces, but the outside is designed perfectly to be a smaller version of this snack for the box. So if you like collecting miniatures and things like that, this is just such a perfect tiny little version, not super small, but a little smaller version of this particular kind of candy box. So if you're interested in those kinds of things, it's really cute. And so you get this, and you get this nice little gift bag, which is really, really well made and a pretty cute size. You don't normally get ones that are a little smaller like this. And then inside was, normally if this is a normal size of the candy box, the box inside was about half of the normal size. So when you go to, for example, when you go to Daiso, you could buy 2 of those for 100 yen. That's how much was in it. But it was a really cute deal. And if you happen to be at the stores at the right time, they are discounted or lower price because they're trying to move stock because it's the end of the holiday season. So it's always a good chance and a good time to check out any of the kind of cheaper sections in the grocery stores and the half price off bins that they have here and there, because it can be a really good way for you to get your hands on some really cute stuff. So I wanted to kind of share it with you guys just because it's adorable and my favorite candy. So very, very cute. If you can keep that in mind when you're visiting, it's a good place to check out for some good deals for sure. So better than, I think, paying what you do at the airport for snacks. I mean, it's kind of cool to get those giant Poke, but it's sort of like such a ripoff for what's inside. If you really want to get, a lot of snack for your money, you want to buy it at a grocery store, or more than that, you want to buy it at a drugstore, because drugstores sell snacks and foods like that for a really discounted price. So definitely keep it in mind if you're visiting and you want to buy a lot of something. If you want to buy the souvenir version of something, then you can buy it at the airport. But if you just want to buy the snack itself, then definitely go to a grocery store. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see how cute it was. I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.